What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and use App Bounty on iOS 12. If you guys don't know what this application is, basically it's an app that allows you to download free apps to get points, and then you can use those points to redeem gift cards, such as iTunes gift cards, and then you can use that gift card to get paid apps. So it's a way to earn paid apps for free. I used to cover these in the past. It's been a while, but App Bounty is definitely a really good one. So the first step here I'm going to show you guys is pretty much how to download and install it onto your device. We are on my iPhone 6. This is basically the process you guys are going to go through. So we're literally just going to jump into YouTube here. This is one of my videos, and we'll click on the link. This will be the same link that I have down in the description of this video. Like I said, guys, this is basically going to be the same process for you guys. So let's go ahead and select on that link. Again, like I said, it's down in the description. Go ahead and click on Open in Safari, and then it will kind of redirect you here. As you can see, appbounty.net. And then we can just go ahead and give it a second to load. The next step here is to download the application Blue. You guys are definitely going to want to do this. One cool thing about it is it will give you notifications. I'll show you guys how that's useful later in this video, but it also gives you a bonus 100 points. So the link that you used in the description, that gives you bonus points, and so does this. So we're going to go ahead and click on Download Blue, and then we can go ahead and open it in the App Store here, and then go ahead and click on Install. I've already installed it, so I just got to download it, as you guys can see. So we'll give this a second to download. All right, now we can go ahead and open it up. It will load here for a second. All right, now that it's done loading, you will get the option for notifications. I would recommend using those just because it will show you when you have received points and stuff like that. So it's very useful. Just go ahead and click on allow here. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then as you can see, by using the link in the description and also downloading the Blue application, you immediately start with 150 points. And then these are the first 3 applications you guys will start with. They might be different on your device, but you will have to download a couple before you can go through and download all of the other offers within this application. As you guys can see, within App Bounty, there are a ton to choose from. That's why I like using this app. There's just a ton of points to be gotten within App Bounty. But anyways, that's the initial setup. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to my iPhone XS Max, and I'll show you guys how to get the points. Alrighty, we are on my iPhone XS Max, and as you can see on here, I've gone through and actually downloaded some of those apps. So we have all of the different apps available on this device. There's a ton to choose from. Some of them require a little bit more effort than just downloading it and running it. Some of them are kind of like sign up for free trials and stuff like that. It's all pretty straightforward. There's a little bit of a description below the name of the application. Some of them just say, install and open. And some of them are a little wonky. Sometimes they don't work. But for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. You just open it and run it for 30 seconds, and then you will get your points. So let's go ahead and let's try and find something to download, and I'll show you guys how it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and use this treble music here, for example. So just click on the little points button there. As you can see, you just click on Start. There is a set of instructions: install, open, redeem your points. So let's go ahead and click on Start. Then you get a little pop-up here. It says, when starting a download, remember this: run the app for at least 30 seconds. Try not to switch networks, example 3G to Wi-Fi. It usually takes around 20 minutes to receive the credits. I've never seen it take that long. It's usually pretty instant. And with the notifications of Blue on, it will give you a notification when you've received those points. So we'll just go ahead and download it. It jumps into the App Store here. Just install it. I like to stay right on this page here until it's done downloading, and then just go ahead and click on Open. And now we will just let it sit here for 30 seconds to see if we get the points. Sometimes you do have to create an account and stuff like that, but let's hope we get lucky and we just get a notification here saying we got our points for downloading it and running it for 30 seconds. And there we go. As you can see, Blue gave us a notification saying that we did get the credits. That's all I had to do. I didn't have to create an account or anything like that. Literally just had to download it and run it for 30 seconds. From this point, you can literally just go ahead and delete the application if it's something you don't want to use. We'll go ahead and jump back into Blue. We will get a pop-up here saying that we did earn the points for downloading it and installing it. Running it for 30 seconds, we'll just click on collect, and just like that, in the matter of maybe 45 seconds, I got a bunch of points. We have an extra here. We could watch a video, an advertisement video for an extra 10 points. I'll just say maybe later, but that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, there's a ton of offers, as you guys can see. There's just a ton of apps to download and install to get all these different points. The rewards are on the right here. You get daily gifts. You get a 10% bonus, stuff like that. Really quite cool how they have this set up. Here are all the different gift cards you can redeem the points for. Like I said, you got like iTunes, Amazon, Steam, just a bunch of different stuff. There's extra offers here, so if you guys run out of the main offers, as you can see, there's just a crap load more that you can choose from here. As you can see, some of them are for very high points. Some of them are for actually playing the games and getting to certain levels and stuff like that. It's really quite neat how they have this set up. But anyways, that's me pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. This is how you're going to get App Bounty and use it on iOS 12. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.